In 2014, one of our best customers came to us and wanted to incorporate a linear cell where they would basically automate their manufacturing process. Our customer paired the AG60 machines with an Aroa robotic cell and a robotic arm. They also have a custom carousel to hold electrodes and tools. The issues that the customer was having was the ability to find quality employees and have only one operator run all 7 machines. And that's what they were able to achieve with our system. So they can run those machines with one guy and he can leave and that system will run completely overnight. A lot of shops back in the day would run 8 hours a day and they lost the ability to be competitive doing that. When you automate your system, you become more competitive. So the end results with this system that we put in place was an increased productivity of 40%. In 2020, they decided to add to that capability and added 3 more machines. I think what makes Sodick special is the Sodick linear motors that are built in-house by Sodick. It's a no-wear system. It's completely frictionless. There's no maintenance. The other manufacturers in the market are using what's called a ball screw, and that system is a mechanical system and it's going to wear and need maintenance at some point. Not to mention that we have the 10-year positioning accuracy guarantee that solidifies the fact that your machine is going to be accurate 10 years from now. The great thing about Sodick is we have a ton of support. We have great applications engineers, and at any time you could just pick up the phone and get a hold of somebody and get assistance. I would say this was a huge success. The biggest indicator is that they decided to expand the cell and they totally maxed out their productivity. The machines far surpassed what humans could do.